In this video, I'll show you how the where clause works. So say I want to select all of the rows from the person.person table where the name of the person is Dylan. So I can say where first name equals Dylan. And then when I execute, I only get the rows where the person is called Dylan. I can also say I want all the rows where the business entity ID is bigger or smaller or equal to a certain number. So let's say where the business entity ID is equal to 100. It only returns the one row where the business entity ID is 100. I can say I want all the rows that are smaller than and equal, and then it returns all of these rows, including the 100. Or I can say I want all the rows where it's bigger and equal to 100. I can also just say I want the bigger or the smaller, and it won't include the row with 100. Now I can say I want all of the rows where the business entity ID is smaller than and bigger than 100, but not 100. And then if we scroll down, we can see all the rows, and you'll see that there is no 100 value here. We can also say that I want the business entity ID to be any one of a few numbers. To do this, I say it has to be in the numbers I specify. So I'll say I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now I only get those 6. I can also say that I don't want it to be those by saying not in, and then it leaves those out. I can also simply say I want it to be between 1 and 100. And there you'll see all the ones between 1 and 100. As you can see, it's inclusive, so it includes 100 and 1. And that's how you use the where clause. Look for the link down below for some exercises.
Our sponsors, Help, MyDatabaseIsSlow.com, specializes in making slow databases run faster. Contact them. They may be able to help.